Hi, I'm Takio Ogawa, and our company is Veracet. So today you've heard a lot about the importance of the human microbiome. I want to talk about a different, but also very important microbiome, and that's the soil microbiome. So we've actually known for a long time that microbes play an important role in the health of all plants, but not really how or why. Well, I'm here to tell you that at Veracet we have a new crystal ball. And that crystal ball is our ability to look into the future, predict the future of how a field will perform in terms of the crops, which will ultimately help farmers save a lot of money. So farmers today spend a lot of energy and effort and resources in terms of managing their fields and crops with the use of fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation, of course. Well, what we know, just in California here alone, there's over 1 million acres that are used for ground crops like strawberries and lettuce. So just a 1% decrease in that operational cost would actually equate to several $100s saved per acre. So that makes the total addressable market there over $200 million just in California. So our approach is quite unique. What we do is we sample soil prior to planting, profile the microbiome, and then we compare that to our large database of contextualized soil microbiome signatures. And then, of course, we use our machine learning analytics to ultimately predict the optimal outcome in terms of the use of things like fertilizer, pesticides, and water. Our offering is a B2B testing service, which means samples are sent to our laboratory for processing and analysis. And then just within a couple days, we share our actionable insights with our end users. The core of our platform is a technology called the PhiloChip. And the PhiloChip is a technology that has demonstrated advantages over other genomics-based technologies, including next-generation sequencing, particularly in diagnostic utility, which is sensitivity to detect very rare organisms, as well as reproducibility, and that's the ability to compare sample A to sample B, or time point 1 to time point 2 in an apples-to-apples comparison. Our platform has strong IP position, several patents listed here, but also a decade's worth of development in terms of improvements in analytics, throughput, and cost. So beyond our testing services that I described, we'll also be deploying a ready-to-use test kit that could be sold to third-party laboratories for remote testing. And underneath all of that, we're building the largest database of, again, contextualized environmental microbiomes that are relevant to agriculture and the food industry. We have a strong team, a growing team. We have a lot of experience and a successful track record in building companies, commercialization, and of course, the science. We're here today to join hands with like-minded partners to join us on this mission. We are engaged with investors in our initial round of financing, and also to meet with corporate partners to deploy this technology in the field. Thank you.